Hello. As I see an opportunity on Bitcoin, I want to make a video also about this because during the last days, Bitcoin has been falling a lot and now it started to recover. This might be a good opportunity also for range trading, or as you see here, it is trying to move a little bit up. So for the past days, it has been forming slowly upward channel, as you see here on the M30 Bitcoin chart. And if we go on the M15, you see here that this bottom line was rejected 3 times. The price around 60,934, and the third time the price didn't reach this bottom anymore. So from here the price started to go up. You see here on the M15, and I showed you before also the M30. If we look, this is a chart from the 8th of June. You see here how much the price dropped. After such drops, a retracement is always in place. Here we follow the Fibonacci numbers, but most probably it will reach around 50% retracement, 30 to 50%. It always goes after such big drops. So for now, what we can aim is a first target around here, somewhere above the last high from the 8th of June. We can expect around 63,900 and something as next target, but only if this line holds here. So I mean here, we can put this line here. Here. Okay, so if these lines hold, we can put the next target calculating from here to here, around 3,000 points. And this would be my aim. So from the price now, plus 2,000 points around here. So it would be 64670. This would be my next target for today or tomorrow. Let's see what happens. You have to watch how the price moves. If it moves slowly, if it moves fast, if it has a fast drop and recovers fast, then the upward continuation would still be in place. So you have to watch these levels. And of course, do your own analysis. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Bye.